Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G13, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and locate the power saving mode. Here it's called exactly battery saver, and as you can see it's located for me on the second page. Now chances are you might have it on some different page, but it should be somewhere by default in those toggles. Now once you find it, simply tap on it. It gives us a notification, so turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activities, and delays notifications. Thank you for actually including this. On premium version of this Motorola device that I did not long ago, the Think Phone by Motorola, they didn't even give me that. But here we at least have this kind of notifications. It might be very vague, but at least it gives us some info what it changes. Now, quickly touching up on one of the last things that it mentions, that notifications might be delayed. What it refers to is that it disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode like this. And because it's disconnecting from it, obviously apps that would require internet connections have nothing to connect to. A phone is just simply trying to save up battery in doing so, but you won't be getting notifications as frequently. There is a chance that it will still reconnect to network once every like 10, 20 minutes, maybe an hour, whatever it's set to, but it could be that it only reconnects to it once you wake up the device like I just did. So if you're noticing that you're not getting any notifications when you're not using the device, battery saver is at fault here. Now anyway, once you turn it on, that's basically it. So when you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it, and everything should go back to normal. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.